Hey guys, it's China B. Atkinson, and I just wanted to do a quick video showing you how you can put your multiple streams of income, or in other words, your affiliate products on your WordPress site. Now, I have an estage theme that I use, which helps me a lot to kind of just input and make my site look good. Other than that, you can use whatever theme you're comfortable with. I choose eStage. It's been working out great for me, and the community of eStage Academy also helps me with the training and whatever extra I need to decorate my website or get everything going. So I just wanted to show you this because it was something that I was wondering about. I was trying to troubleshoot it, and finally I got it. And these are some of the affiliate products that I have on my site, and products that I use. So today I'm going to do the Get Response, which is my list building service that I have, and I'm an affiliate for that. So let me show you. And if you're interested in being an affiliate for any products that you have, or you're interested in a niche, most of the time, if you go down to the bottom of that website, you can find an affiliate link at the bottom, and that will show you exactly like all the requirements that you need to sign up. And then what you'll do is, say for example, let me show you here. I'm going to go to my dashboard in WordPress, and I'll go to appearances, widgets, and then I'm going to do a custom HTML and put that in my post sidebar. So depending on your, how can I say it? Depending on your theme, probably will you'll just look for the way that it's set up. This is WordPress, so I believe like in this area it's going to be the same for you guys. But for me, for working with the E stage, it's a Jack Oliver single post sidebar that I'm putting the HTML in. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to drag it over and just drop it in there. And then you'll see that little area right there. And then what I'm going to do is go to this page and pick whatever banner that's going to have all the code and everything on there for me to get the credit. Once the traffic on my website or anybody interested on my website clicks on it, it's going to take them to Get Response and give them the information that they're looking for. So I was interested in, I really like, let's see where it is, the list building program. And I like this Get Response, grow your email list by up to 10,000 subscribers in 90 days. Try it free. List building program. In this sidebar, the 300 by 250 looks really good. So that's what I've been playing with, a lot of the 300 by 250s. And if you go on other websites, you'll see a lot of them use that. It just looks really clean on the site. So you go here, you're going to choose it, and when you go down, you're going to pick, there's two choices. There's HTML code and there's JavaScript code. What I noticed is with this particular affiliate program, it wasn't working when I used this code. So I copied this code, and then I go back over to my dashboard. I'm going to right click and paste it. Then I'm going to save it. It's done. And then I'm going to go to my dashboard. And I'll go to the blog area so you can see I think it's this area that I would put it in. Whoops. Hold on, let me go to the actual. So this is the sidebar over here. So I have Click Magic. These are all products that I use. And then here it goes down here, the Get Response banner that I chose to put on there. So I hope that helps you, because this is a way that on your site you can have your multiple streams of income and your affiliate products, whether it be, you know, makeup, beauty products that you're doing, fitness products on your fitness page, whatever you're interested in. There's an affiliate program available for you to start to have a way to monetize your site, because you just don't want your site up. Obviously, you want to learn how to grow your site and how you're going to grow your income with your site. So if you have any questions, please contact me, comment, and let me know if this helped you, or if you have any other ideas, let me know. I love learning, and I hope that you learned something from this. So we'll talk soon. Bye.